Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add PayPal payments to your Shopify store in 2025. Now, if you want to let the customers pay securely using PayPal, this walkthrough will show you how you can set it up, how you can link your account with it, and start accepting the payments right away. So first of all, you need to come here on admin.shopify.com. Over here, you need to simply log in into your Shopify account in order to access your Shopify dashboard. Now over here in the left hand side, you are going to see the option of settings. So simply click on the option of settings. Here the fifth option would be of payments. So simply go to the payments section. Over here, by default, Shopify automatically activates a PayPal Express checkout with the email that you used to create Shopify store, but you still need to connect it to your PayPal account for it to work. So here, right next to PayPal, you will see the option of activate PayPal. So click on the option of activate PayPal. Now click on the option of activate again on the top right hand corner of the screen. So what this will do is it is going to redirect you here on your new tab where it is going to basically ask you to provide your email address associated with your PayPal account. So once you add your email address over here and press next, you will be shown a pop-up to connect your account or your Shopify account with PayPal. So once you sign up here in your PayPal account and give permissions to Shopify, you are going to see that your PayPal is now activated on your Shopify store. Now you can come here in your PayPal account again in the payments, and now you can manage your PayPal section. With the help of it, you can just simply customize a lot of things like automatic capture of the payment, refund preferences, and payment notifications. You can also enable the pay later or pay in 4 installments if it is allowed in your region. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.